In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Secretlab promo codes in 24. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search right here for Secretlab discount code. After that, let's just scroll down a little bit until we find this website, which is retrieve.com. And on this website, as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes and offers that we can use on Secret Lab. And for example, if I want to get this deal with 5% off, all I have to do is select right here the copy code, and this is my discount code. And I can use that on my next purchase in order to get that 5% discount. So, of course, we have other websites right here, such as this one. And for example, right here, we have other the promo codes, and if I want to get this 10 percent of my next purchase, all I have to do is select the code, and this is my code. So if I'm going to use this one on my next purchase, I will be able to get the 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.